I noticed that till today, so many people don't know how to use the rosemary oil and the rosemary water for hair growth. And it baffles me because I've put a lot of content explaining to you guys how to use it effectively to see hair growth, to see bounce, to see shine on your hair. So if you know you've not seen most of my videos, this is an avenue for you to learn how to use rosemary water and rosemary oil for massive hair growth. Hi, my name is Joy, aka your favorite hair coach, and here I talk about how to grow healthy hair, how to, be on top of your hair game, DIYs, routines, tricks, and tips on growing your hair, right? So without any further ado, let's get right to the video. So first off, ensure that you have a very good rosemary water mixture, very good rosemary oil mixture. The reason why I'm saying it is that if your base is faulty, you will not achieve the results that you're looking for. For one, I usually encourage people to do DIY. It means do it yourself. So I encourage people to actually do their rosemary oil themselves, except if they have like a trusted vendor that they can get it from. Then fine and good, buy from the person. But if you know that you're not so sure of the ingredients that was actually used to make that oil or to make the water mixture, it's better you stay far away from it. It's better you ditch whatever it is. So first off, you need a very good rosemary oil, like I said earlier, rosemary water, like I said earlier. If you need a tutorial on how to make these mixtures, I have like a lot in my playlist and you can check it out and familiarize yourself with the procedures. So moving on, when you want to apply the water, ensure that you spray it evenly on your scalp. Don't skip any part of your scalp. Spray directly on your scalp, not far away from your scalp, but directly on your scalp, right? Then you massage it in. Give yourself thorough massage, right? Then afterwards, you go in with your rosemary oil. Then you can use like a dropper. I'll try and insert a video somewhere so that you understand the dropper I'm talking about. You can, just use that dropper, draw out the oil, right? Then you apply it directly on your scalp. It would help for easy application. Then you also massage just like you did with the water, right? And also ensure that you moisturize after every use, meaning if you use the water, if you use the oil, always moisturize. And the best moisturization is using leave-in conditioner. So get a very good leave-in conditioner so that you can always moisturize your hair after the application of these rosemary mixtures, right? The reason is the cloves that you infuse in this mixture has drying effect, so you don't want your hair to dry out and what is this? Because once your hair is dry, it is prone to breakage, and once you're experiencing hair breakage, you will not see like visible length retention. You will feel like your hair is not growing. You feel like your growth is static. Reason being that your hair breaks off from the tip of your hair. So if you are breaking off like inches of your hair will be looking shorter and shorter as time goes on, right? So you need to prevent hair breakage as much as possible. I feel like hair breakage is like the greatest enemy for anyone that wants to grow long hair. So you need to avoid it at all costs. So since you know that cloves have drying effect on its own, ensure you always moisturize after the use of products that contains clove. Even generally, always moisturize your hair so that your hair is moist, right, and it would not break. That's it. Then for the application frequency, right, you can apply this mixture 4 to 5 times weekly. Be consistent, 4 to 5 times weekly. Repeat the process I said earlier and you're good to go. Once you're able to do this successfully, try and monitor the whole process between 3 to 12 months and come back and give your testimony. And if you know for a fact that, okay, the product is having adverse effect on your hair, like you feel a certain way when you apply it, stop it with immediate effect. It's not a must that everybody pulls through with rosemary water or rosemary oil, right? So yeah, I hope I've been able to convince and not to confuse you. Rosemary water, rosemary oil is actually amazing for hair growth. And do well to like, share, subscribe, and yeah, I'll see you in my next. Bye guys. You can
can put 100 grand on it. Anything I said, I stamp on it. In a private plane, I lamp on it. Lele oh, then they call me Bankole. Cause I walk around with the bank on him. Show them Gangnam Style, put the gang on him.